don't know what to. I'm carrying tools that'll tear us into the wind and the snowfall. We'll be lost until June, so bury me shallow and forget me too soon. And if I'm a monster, come kill me dead. And if I'm an outlaw, put a price on my head. And if I'm a killer for the shit that I said, then fill me up, darling, with Winchester lead. Come dig to me, darling, through clover and clay, and fill up my wounds with harvest cut hay. And I'll lie here forever in this bed that I made. I know I'm deserving, and I know it's too late. So if I'm a monster, come kill me dead. If I'm an outlaw, put a price on my head. And if I'm a killer, that I say